Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and now let's take a look at this option bar. Right in the middle we've got the timer option, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on it once. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different options to choose from. We could set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, for example. In order to check if it is working, simply tap on the option I'd like to use. As you can see, the icon has changed, so we've got 10 seconds delay applied. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see here, we've got the counting. So from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, and the screen flashed, so it means that we just took a photo. So let's check another option, for example, 2 seconds. As you can see, the icon also changes, so simply tap on the